Good morning. Today's topic is plant diseases and their causal agents. Okay. In previous video, we have studied about the classification of plant diseases on the basis of their symptoms. In that also we have studied different plant diseases and their characteristics or symptoms and their causal agents. Okay. Especially in this video, we are going to study about the different causal agents of a plant diseases. So let's start from first disease, plant disease, which is the one of the common disease, that is the blight disease. Blight disease or common blight disease. What happens in this disease? The burnt appearance, okay, जलने जैसा appearance दिखाई देता है, and it is the disease which is characterized by the rapid and extensive death, which is known as necrosis of a plant foliage. तो इसमें क्या होता है, सेल्स का रैपिड डेथ होता है प्लांट सेल्स का, ये डिसीज कॉज होने की वजह से, और वहाँ पे ब्लैक कलर का अपीयरेंस दिखता है, ब्रंट जलने जैसा अपीयरेंस वहाँ पे दिखता है. एंड द कॉजल एजेंट ऑफ दिस ब्लाइट डिसीज इज द फाइटोप्थोरा इन्फेस्टेंस. Phytophthora infestans is the causal agents of this particular disease. Okay, तो causal agents क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? What can be the causal agents? There are certain biological agents like viruses, bacteria, fungus. They can be the causal agents of different plant diseases. ये plants को disease cause करते हैं, viruses, bacteria, fungi. तो वो disease causing agent है, pathogen भी कहते हैं उनको. Disease causing agent is known as the pathogen. तो ये these are some plant pathogens. See here in this next slide, the bean common bacterial blight. Bean common bacterial blight, which is caused by whose causal agent is the Xanthomonas axonopodes. Xanthomonas axonopodes is the causal agent which is occur in bean, okay, are known as the common bean blight. Let's move towards the next plant disease, blast disease. Okay, whose causal agent is the Magnaporthy gracia. उसका causal agent Magnaporthy gracia है, और it is sudden death of unopened bud or inflorescence. जो भी प्लांट का इन्फ्लोरेसेंस होता है उसको सडन डेथ होते हैं. इसमें एग्जाम्पल है राइस ब्लास्ट डिसीज. राइस ब्लास्ट डिसीज causal agent is Magnaporthy gracia. You can see here in the image shown. Okay, just write to that blast disease. And next disease is that the scald. What happens in scald disease? It is the blanching of epidermal and adjacent tissue of a fruit and occasionally of leaves. Example, plum leaf scald. Plum leaf scald. Example is plum leaf scald, and whose causal agent is Magnaporthy gracia. And the scald disease is caused by the fastidious vascular bacteria. Okay, causal agent is the bacteria for scald disease. And anthracnose, the formation of a discrete dark necrotic lesions on the leaves, stems and fruits caused by the fungus. It is caused by the fungus whose name is a Coletotrichum capsicum. In chili, it is caused in chili plants. Here in that image it is shown there. Okay, another disease is that the rot diseases. Rot diseases are characterized by plant decomposition and putrefaction and the softening of discoloration and often decay or disintegration of a succulent plant tissue as a result of fungal or bacterial infection. तो ये rotting भी होता है, इसमें stem rotting होता है, root rotting भी होता है. तो ये rotting disease भी है. Decomposition करता है plants का, जिसमें discoloration होता है, softening होता है, जो fruit है उसका softening के लिए इस responsible है ये. Okay, or it is also caused by the bacteria. Fungal, it may be caused by fungal or bacteria, both. Next, see here the foot rot and a tuber rot of a potato is shown here. Okay, foot rot of a citrus tree. Citrus tree के stem rotting दिखाया है, whose causal agent is the Phytophthora parasitica, and tuber rot, brown rot of potato में Pseudomonas solanaceae is responsible. Okay, clearly you can find here in both diagram. Okay, in potato soft rotting is there, that potato becomes soft. Okay, and whose pathogen is Arvinia carotovora, which is a bacteria. Arvinia carotovora, which is bacteria which is responsible for this rotting. In this rotting, the softening of potato is occur. Okay, and in first image you can see the Phytophthora parasitica. Okay, here softening, rotting is there, brownish color appearance is there. This is also example of rotting. This one is caused by Phytophthora parasitica, and this one is caused by the Erwinia. Okay. So here leaf rot, black rot of cruciferous, whose causal agent is leaf rot's causal agent is the Xanthomonas campestri. Okay, in which the blackish color appearance is there in cabbage. Okay, you can find here this black color. Okay, this black color denotes that the leaf rot is occur there. Next plant disease is the rust. You know what happens in rust? Small pustules of spots, usually breaking through the epidermis. Example, black rust of wheat. Okay, black rust of wheat, whose causal agent is Puccinia graminis. Okay, तो ये causal agent है यहाँ. Here you can find this. Okay, लीफ के ऊपर जो black spots आते हैं तो Puccinia graminis उसका causal agent है rust का. Okay, and next disease is that the smut. Okay, shooty or charcoal like mass appearing on floral organs, mainly on ovary or leaf. They are mainly caused by Basidiomycetes, particular order, and loose smut of wheat by Ustilago tritici. Okay, तो smut का example है जो charcoal like mass appear होता है, charcoal की तरह black colors का mass जो वो स्टम्स का smut का characteristics feature है. तो ये देखो यहाँ पे fluorescence को, and it is mainly appear on floral organs, ovary or leaf. Okay. Next plant disease is powdery mildew. Okay, mildew, it represents the chlorotic areas usually covered with a pathogen as a result of their vigorous growth. Two types of mildews is there, downy mildew and powdery mildew. Okay, so let's see first downy mildew. In downy mildew, formation of superficial cottony hyphal growth with spores generally on underside of the leaf, and the characteristics of downy mildew caused by the group of oomycetes. Okay, downy mildew of grapes by Plasmophora viticola. Causal agent of downy mildew in grape leaves is a Plasmophora viticola. Okay, in this diagram you can see there downy mildew, और ये लीफ के नीचे की साइड से होता है तो इसमें हाइफल ग्रोथ, कॉटनी हाइफल ग्रोथ दिखाई देती है लीफ के नीचे की साइड को. तो ग्रेप्स के लीफ के अंदर ये प्लाज्मोफोरा विटिकोला उसका कॉजल एजेंट है. लेट्स सी पाउडरी माइल्ड्यू. Powdery mildew, the pathogen gives a dusty powdery appearance, mostly of a gray and white color, causing fungus. Belongs to Ascomycetes family, Ericifaceae. Example, powdery mildew of grapes, Ericifae polygony. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, डस्ट के जैसा व्हाइट कलर का और ब्लैक कलर का डस्ट के जैसा लीफ के ऊपर ग्रोथ दिखाई देता है वहाँ पे, और उसको ही पाउडरी माइल्ड्यू कहते हैं. तो ग्रेप्स के अंदर पाउडरी माइल्ड्यू एरिसिफी पॉलीगोनी वो कॉजल एजेंट है उसका. नेक्स्ट प्लांट डिसीज इज द स्कैब. roughened crust like disease area on the surface of a plant organ. Example, apple scab, potato scab, wheat scab, that is known as the scab, in which the crust like diseases occur. Okay, or a roughness on that fruit is occur. Here you can find in first diagram this type of appearance is characteristic feature of the scab. Okay, and on this leaf this type of appearance is the causal characteristic feature of the scab. Okay, in which the roughen or crust like diseases are on the surface of the plant organs. Okay, here in first image the apple, example is of apple given their fruit and leaf. Next, wilt. Plant disease is the wilt, which is generalized secondary symptom in which leaves, stems lose their turgidity because of the plugging of xylem vessels of root and stem. Example, fusarium, which is caused due to the wilt disease. Okay, तो यहाँ पे लीव्स और स्टेम उनकी टर्जिडिटी को लूज करते हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे एग्जांपल stem is given there and also leaves are shown here in the diagram. So wilt in which stems or leaves lose their turgidity, whose causal agent is fusarium, which is the fungus. Type hypertrophy and hyperplasia. Okay, overdevelopment. Leaf curl. Let's see, next plant disease is the leaf curl. in leaf curl, overgrowth of the tissue on one side of a leaf or petal resulting to leaves rolling. Okay, in this image you will find there the leaves are rolling there. Okay, here leaves are rolling. So leaf curl is known as, and hyperplasia is the abnormal increase in number and hypertrophy is the abnormal enlarge in size. Okay, वो साइज में बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं या फिर नंबर उनका बहुत बढ़ता है. तो curl tomato leaves caused by tomato leaf curl virus. It is the causal agent is virus. Okay, that is the diagram of a tomato plant. टोमेटो प्लांट का डायग्राम वहाँ पे दिखाया है. उसमें एक तो बहुत क्वांटिटी में लीफ आते हैं या फिर उनका साइज बढ़ जाता है, एबनॉर्मल साइज होता है या फिर एबनॉर्मल नंबर होता है या फिर उनकी ओवर ग्रोथ होती है टिश्यू की वन साइड से ही. ओके, और उसकी वजह से वो कर्ल होते हैं. नेक्स्ट, ट्यूमर, एन अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ ऑफ टिश्यू और टिश्यूज इज कॉल्ड ट्यूमर. ओके, क्राउन गॉल on roses, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, whose causal agent is Agrobacterial tumefaciens. So gall disease, an abnormal plant structure formed in response to parasitic attack by certain microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, virus or insects. Gall may develop either by localized cell proliferation or increase in cell size. So ये gall क्या है? किसी भी पैथोजन के अगेंस्ट प्लांट ने दिखाया हुआ रिस्पॉन्स है. तो इस रिस्पॉन्स में क्या होता है कि प्लांट का पैरासाइटिक अटैक को रिस्पॉन्स करने की वजह से वहाँ पे एक एक्स्ट्रा ग्रोथ होती है ट्यूमर के फॉर्म में. तो दैट ट्यूमर फॉर्म. गॉल में भी डेवलप आइदर बाय लोकलाइज्ड सेल प्रोलिफरेशन और इंक्रीज इन सेल साइज. तो वहाँ पे सेल का प्रोलिफरेशन होके वो फॉर्म होता है या फिर सेल का साइज इंक्रीज होके फॉर्म होता है. हियर इन दिस इमेज यू विल फाइंड दैट गॉल हियर. दिस इज द extra growth or extra proliferation of cell or cell increases with the size to give response to the parasitic attack. Okay, और कौन से parasitic attack कर सकते हैं? बैक्टीरिया, फंगस, वायरसेस और insects, sometimes insects also. So this image is the crown gall of roses whose causal agent is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Witch's broom, an abnormal form of a plant growth characterized by the profuse outgrowth of lateral buds to give a broom-like appearance. Okay, potato witch's broom and groundnut witch's broom. इसमें क्या होता है? lateral buds का broom-like appearance दिखता है जो इस डायग्राम में दिखाया गया है. तो ये ग्राउंडनट में भी होता है और पोटैटो में भी होता है. Hypoplastic. Hypoplasia is the failure of plants or organs to develop fully, that is to obtain normal size. Okay, वो फुल डेवलप होने से फेल हो जाते हैं, वो उनकी ग्रोथ फुल नहीं हो पाती है और उसमें वो नॉर्मल साइज में ही रहते हैं. ओके, वो मिल जाते हैं. एट्रोपी और स्टंटिंग और डॉर्फिंग. ओके, एट्रोपी में क्या होता है? स्टंटिंग ग्रोथ होती है, उनकी ग्रोथ स्टॉप होती है या फिर डॉर्फ रहते हैं वो. इन्फेक्टेड प्लांट शोज ग्रोथ रिडक्शन इन ऑल इट्स ऑर्गन्स. सभी उसके ऑर्गन की ग्रोथ कम होती है, वो हाइट में कम होती है, सब कम होती है. डॉर्फिन बोलते हैं उसको. ओके, तो जो भी प्लांट को इसका इन्फेक्शन हुआ है उसका साइज जो नॉर्मल होना चाहिए उससे कम होता है, रिड्यूस होता है और देयर ग्रोथ इज आल्सो रिड्यूस्ड. ओके, एंड दिस स्टंट atrophy occurs in the maize which is known as the stunt in maize. Okay, abnormal growth होता है, जितना ग्रोथ होना चाहिए उतना ग्रोथ होता नहीं है. The same is appear on the groundnut rosettes whose causal agent is groundnut rosette ambravirus. Okay, rosette, an abnormal condition in which the leaves form a radial cluster on the stem. Okay, तो रोजेट क्या है? एक abnormal condition है, उसमें लीव्स एक क्लस्टर स्टेम के अराउंड क्लस्टर फॉर्म करते हैं. So that is what is shown in this diagram. You will find here that leaves are form the cluster around the stem. Here in this diagram, groundnut is also leaves are form cluster around the groundnut. Okay, in case of groundnut, ambravirus, rosette ambravirus is responsible or causal agent, and in case of maize, the stunt in maize, whose causal agent is also a virus. Chlorosis, the loss of chlorophyll from the tissues of a plant resulting from the microbial infection. Extreme case of chlorosis is a blanching or bleaching in which infected chlorophyll area is completely disappear. तो chlorosis जैसे उसका नाम सजेस्ट करता है कि it is related with the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll pigment है which is one of the important pigment in plant. Okay, which involve in the synthesis, trapping of the sunlight from the sun during the photosynthesis, and that sunlight is used as a energy to produce food in plant. Okay, so chlorosis, in what happens in chlorosis, there is the loss of chlorophyll from the tissues से जो भी है chlorophyll का loss होता है, and that results in the microbial infection. Extreme case of chlorosis is blanching or bleaching, in which infected chlorophyll area is completely disappeared. तो यहाँ पे you can see here in this diagram this yellowish color, okay, leaf of yellow color, that is the result of chlorosis. From that places क्लोरोफिल इज लॉस्ट. ओके, वहाँ का क्लोरोफिल निकल चुका है, इसलिए और क्लोरोफिल की वजह से ड्यू टू द क्लोरोफिल लीफ लुक्स द ग्रीन. ओके, इट इज द ग्रीन कलर पिगमेंट है, वो ग्रीन कलर पिगमेंट है. तो यहाँ पे येलो कलर के लीफ दिख रहे हैं, दैट आर द इन्फेक्टेड विद द क्लोरोसिस. एंड वायरल इन्फेक्शन, द एक्शन ऑफ सर्टेन फाइटोटॉक्सिन, द लैक ऑफ मैग्नीशियम deficiency tissue of etc. light or to iron chloritic common appear chlorosis and chlorotic ring spot by BCWMV yellowish. Okay, so chlorosis occurs due to the deficiency of magnesium, phytotoxins. Okay, and it is also occur due to the infection of virus. So cowpea BCMV या क्लोरोसिस यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है. Mosaic disease. Okay, mosaic, it is the irregular intermingling of normal green with light green and yellow or white chlorotic areas imparting a mosaic like pattern. Tomato mosaic virus, mosaic of भिंडी. Okay, तो ये mosaic में क्या होता है, लाइट ग्रीन येलो कलर का पैटर्न और एक मोजैक लाइक पैटर्न लीफ के ऊपर तैयार होता है, दैट यू कैन फाइंड हियर इन दिस given diagram. This is the characteristic feature of the mosaic. Okay, and whose causal agent is the virus. Okay, tomato mosaic virus and mosaic of भिंडी, ओकरा में भी ये कॉज करता है. So this is all about the plant diseases and their causal agent. हमने आज इस वीडियो में कुछ प्लांट के डिसीजेस, जो कॉमन प्लांट डिसीजेस होते हैं और उनका कॉजल एजेंट्स को है कौन सा है, वही हमने देखा है. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video.